Hi everyone, welcome to Crack SAP new video. I hope everyone is doing good. So far I have many videos uploaded in my Crack channel. Today I'm going to take you from asset acquisition through purchase order, GRN, then MIRO, then asset will be created here. Now I'm going with the creation of asset. One asset will create here first. S01, create one asset 2000. This is an asset class here. Checking with the asset class plant and machinery, and CHI machinery, and time dependent cost center here. I've entered cost center. Profit center segment is automatically updated. Now directly I'll check it. The 8 years life, the depreciation will start from 22, and I'll copy the same in the, now I'll paste here. Back to yes. Now my asset was created 2000012. Now I am with the purchase order T code ME21N. Take it, let us take it. Customer vendor here, it's 183, and this one purchase organization and company code here. Just hit enter. Now here it is an import. It is account assignment category. Account assignment category for A is for asset, and without any material we need to take a plant and machinery here. Around 5 quantity I'll buy it, and each is and 2000 for each, and material group will be taking of I002. My plant is this one. I'll hit the enter. Now I have to ask here asset. Asset is mine is 12 number. Now I'll hit enter. Just hit enter. Now check. Is there any issue? No message during the check, and save here. So my purchase order 414 is generated. Now I am going out. Go to MIGO. Okay, GRN. Process it. Here it is a purchase order. Like 4500000. Right. Hit enter. Now the plant and machinery 5 quantity 2012 asset number by BS profit center here. Now I'm taking, coming down here, you need to confirm the material will be okay and hit enter. Now it will ask you check. I have checked, document is okay. Just save here. This material document has been generated. Now the material, once material has been generated, before that I'll check it. The asset is capital reserve. It will not go into, because of I have not configured for the GRN level. It is not yet capitalized, because of I have not for the, it is supposed to be MIRO. Just I'm going with the MIRO. This one is with 611 test one. I'll make purchase order number here. It is 4114. Hit enter. Now it is coming here. It's a 5 quantity 10,000. Net price is 2000. I'll select G3 tax calculation. Okay, now it is calculated tax. 11,800 is my cost because of 1,800 is in GST. So now you can go to save here. HSN code is not determined. Let us see, the HSN code is available here. Oh yeah, okay, the HSN code I can take it. So as per the government rule, we need to apply for the HSN. HSN code 850111020. Because of this is not a material, this is an asset. That's why I'm making it to be a manual. Now this message has been got. Now simulate. This is a GST is calculated here as an IGST, and this is an material. Back, no message, and save here. Once it is saved, the document has been created, invoice verification document as well as the accounting document. Now I am going with the yes 02. Now I am hitting enter here, and the asset value, see the asset value is here. 10,000 is my procurement, and this year the tax calculation will be till 11th period, and it's a 12th period, it's 100. So total 1,250. Thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe, like it, and press the bell button. Thanks once again, and follow my channel and you'll get the interesting videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.